Hello students, I hope you are well. Dear students, we have done derivative with respect to x, either with respect to y. Now in today's video we will discuss about derivative of a function with respect to another function. Suppose we have a function fx and another function gx. We need to find derivative of fx with respect to gx. Derivative of fx with respect to gx. कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे आप? तो ऐसी प्रॉब्लम में हम क्या सपोज करेंगे? वी सपोज y एज fx एंड z एज gx. ओके, वी सपोज y एज fx and z as gx. Now y is function of x, so dy upon dx, that is f dash x. Z is also function of x, so dz upon dx g dash x. Okay, now divide first by second. So dy by dx, divide dz by dx. So dy by dx into dx by dz is equal to f dash x g dash x. You know dx cancel, so we get dy upon dz f dash x g dash x. So dear students, अगर आपको डेरिवेटिव निकालना है किसी फंक्शन का with respect to another function, so we suppose first as y and second as z. For example, differentiate x square upon 1 plus x square with respect to x square. Differentiate x square upon 1 plus x square with respect to x square. So we suppose it is y. Okay, so you can find its derivative by using our previous rules. You can say product rule, quotient rule. So here is quotient rule, u upon v. Y is x square upon 1 plus x square. So dy by dx is denominator whole square, denominator as it is, and derivative of numerator 2x minus numerator as it is, derivative of denominator also 2x plus 2x cube minus 2x cube cancel, so we get 2x upon 1 plus x square whole square. Okay, now with respect to x square, we suppose as z. If z is x square, then dz by dx is 2x. It is number 2, it is 1. So divide first by second. So we get dy by dx divide by dz by dx is equal to 2x upon 1 plus x square whole square, and dz by dx is 2x. So dear student, take its reciprocal. ये डिवाइड में किस में हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई। सेम हेयर, इफ 2x by 1 we can write 1 by 2x, so we get dy by dz is 1 upon 1 plus x square whole square. Okay, so by this method you can find out derivative of a function with respect to another function. Now let us see next example. Now our next example is differentiate sin x cube with respect to x cube. Sin x cube with respect to x cube. So we will suppose sin x cube as y and z as x cube. So dy by dx is, you know, here x cube means theta cube, not sin cube. Sin cube x is different, sin x cube is different, both are different. Okay, you can write sin cube x as sin x whole cube. Now dy by dx is derivative of sin cos, but derivative of theta also. So dy by dx is cos x cube and derivative of x cube is 3x square. So dy by dx is 3x square cos x cube. Now z is x cube, so we can find dz by dx, that is 3x square. It is first, it is second. So for dy by dx, divide by dz by dx, 3x square cos x cube. So in dy by dx, dx by dz is divide by 3x square. Cancel. So dy by dz is cos x cube. Okay. Now in the same way, another example is differentiate cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square with respect to tangent inverse x. So we suppose it is y. Y is cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. डियर स्टूडेंट, ऐसी प्रॉब्लम को आपने सोल्व किया बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड, मीन्स यहाँ हम पुट कर लेंगे x इज इक्वल टू टेंजेंट थीटा, सो y इज cos इनवर्स 1 माइनस टेंजेंट स्क्वायर थीटा 1 प्लस टेंजेंट स्क्वायर थीटा. So it is property of cos 2 theta. Now cos cancel, we get 2 theta, and value of theta is transpose of tangent is tangent inverse x. Okay, so we get tan inverse x. So derivative is dy by dx is 2 into derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square, and our z is tangent inverse x, so we can find directly dz by dx is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now you can find out dy by dx. dy by dx divide by dz by dx is equal to 2/1 plus x square। ये हमारा फर्स्ट है, ये क्या है सेकंड। तो फर्स्ट को हमने डिवाइड किया सेकंड से, ओके, डिवाइड बाय 1/1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर। यू नो इन मल्टीप्लाई क्या हो जाएगा, dx by dz। सेम हेयर, in multiply 1 plus x square by 1. Now dx cancel, so we get dy upon dz is 2. So I think you have cleared how will you differentiate a function with respect to another function. You should cause one as y, another as z, and then divides the term of y by term of z. Now let us see next problem. Now we have another problem. Differentiate x raised to power cos x with respect to cos x raised to the power x. First we suppose y is equal to x raised to the power cos x and z is equal to cos x raised to the power x. You know here is function of x and power is also function of x. So we will apply logarithm. Okay. Now taking log on both sides, log y is equal to log x raised to power cos x. Log y, यू नो कोस इन पावर, तो लोग कहाँ ले आएगा इसको, कोफिशिएंट में। नाउ डिफरेंशिएट log y upon y as dy by dx and here u into v. We will apply product rule. So cos x as it is, derivative of log x 1 by x, log x as it is cos x minus sin x. So dy by dx is y into cos x upon x minus log of x sin x. तो what is y? y पुट कर देंगे आप, x raised to the power cos x and cos x upon x log of x sin x. So it is dy by dx. Now dear students, in the same way here also x function in power is also x. So we will take logarithm here. Log of z equal to log of cos x raised to the power x. Now you know property of log, पावर को कहाँ ले आएगा, कोफिशिएंट। ओके, नाउ डिफरेंशिएट log z 1 by z, z dz by dx, x as it is, derivative of log cos x 1 by cos x and derivative of cos x minus sin x plus log of cos x and derivative of x as 1. So we get dz by dx. ये z जो हमारा डिवाइड में है 1 by z, इसका ट्रांसपोज क्या हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लाई, एंड यू गेट माइनस साइन बाय कोस टेंजेंट x plus log of cos x. Now dz by dx is value of z cos x raised to the power x minus x tangent x log of cos x. Now we will divide first by second. we will get dy by dz x raised to power cos x upon x minus log x sin x divided by cos x raised to power x minus x tangent x plus log of cos x. Okay, so dear student, you should try such type problems in which derivative of a function with respect to another function. Okay, I hope you will do same. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.